Oke, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Dr. Alif Tadustiwa, and now in this occasion and this opportunity, I will sharing about Cisco thing. It's kinda like how to access Cisco with telnet and SSH. It's kinda basic, but it's okay. It's still on tutorial. So first, how to configure on this. First, how to configure from root. I giving tutorial. Two from the router and from switch. This one is from switch. Okay. The case is like this. This is my laptop. Okay, I have two laptop in here. This first laptop and second laptop. Yes, laptop 0 and laptop 1. So I put a cable on there. Yes, right. These have to like the case. Stick to the case. I want to remote telnet and SSH from this laptop. First, I want to remote switch first, the easy one. How to remote switch? First, we need to synchronize the IP address like this. Like it. Okay. Nice. Enable 1250 NT if someone 01 T 501 IP address full what 10.10.1 anything. Sorry. Sorry. Switch is not like this. No. I mean switch, but uh, in in multi-layer tree switch. Sorry. Have to we have to choose it. How is it? To pad on it. It's about multi-layer switch. Sorry, multi-layer switch and laptop. Okay, we have router and multi-layer switch. How to configure it? Telnet and SSH. First, the router first lah. The router first. We need to synchronize the IP. Let's make this laptop IP is 10.10.2 and the Saturn mask is /24. Okay, the gateway. I think we didn't need it. Okay. After all, we need to configure and this router. No. Enable first. Configure terminal. Okay. We must enter the interface. Uh, interface. If 0/0 and then no shutdown. Enable it. After enabling, we must add some IP address. IP address 10.10.10. It's still on one rank 10.10.1 with subnet mask and 255 or /24. Nice. Exit. Now go on line PT. We must configure it virtual terminal. Do it. Just follow this thing 2 and 1 or 0 and 2. Okay, we must input the protocol of telnet and SSH like transport input all. Okay, after that we must set up login local. Exit. Okay, first make host name. Host name is router. Okay, the name is router. Nice. After set the host name, we must set domain. It's like IP domain name. Okay, like qville.com. Okay, after that we must generate RSA, right? RSA key, like what is it like crypto key generate RSA. Done. Okay, RSA. After that enable. After enabling, we must set username and password. Like username is I think is your name. I think Cisco. Username is Cisco, and the secret or password is 123. Okay, we should enable the password in router 2. Enable secret 123. Okay. We can try on the laptop like telnet 10.10.10.1, username cisco, password 123. Okay, we can configure it now. 123. Okay, we can configure it now in this laptop. That's the power of telnet. How to SSH and how about SSH? SSH like this. SSH min L cisco 10.10.10.1. Okay, but password is 123. Okay, we enter the router now. Okay, we can see it. Okay, it is under Cisco router. It's inside Cisco router. That was how to configure telnet and SSH in router. How to configure that in multi-layer switch? First, we must synchronize 10.10.10.1. I'm sorry, 2. Okay, after it, we must decide it. Okay, no. Enable configure3. Okay, we must set hostname first. Hostname MLS. Okay, after set hostname, set domain IP domain name. IP domain name, I think is idn.com maybe. Okay, indonesia.com. After that, crypto key generate erasure. Okay, after all, and after it, we can set line VTE 0.1 like that. Transport input all. Okay, after transport input all, set the login local for like make the login is like 1 and like that lah. Okay, username cisco, username MLS and secret is 123. Okay, enable secret 123. Okay, interface fast ethernet 0.1. Okay, IP at 10 10 10 1 slash 24. Okay, oh, sorry, no switch port because this is multi switch. We must set no as well because this is a switch, not router. No switch port. IP address 10.10.10.1 24. No switch port. Yes, no switch port and enter. After that, IP at 10.10.10.10.1/24. Okay, done. We can try it our laptop. Telnet 10.10.10.1. Yes, okay. This inside the telnet in MLS, the layer switch. Yes, it's pure telnet. Now how about SSH? Yes, SSH mean L MLS 10.10.10.1. Okay, password 3. Yes, it's pure legitly. Yes, it's pure legit MLS. Okay. But sadly we just end until we still have to end this. We must end this lesson, and I apologize to something that I said wrong. Thank you for watching until here, and follow my tutorial. See you next time. I jaga Thank you.